conquer. Hi. Thank you, everyone, for coming, this evening. Conquer meant so much to us, and we avenged him, which is why I wanted to give him this, just so that he knew that we did get revenge, and he will always be in memory.
It's our tear pool.
Do you want to say anything?
I have something to say. People always talk about how death is sad. But when you think about it, Conker's lived a good life. He's adventured out. He conquered his fear of heights. He explored with us, and for him it was happy. And now I have some apple juice for him as a gift.
He does love his apple juice.
He did love his apple juice.
Here we can give, and then we could just
Never
put
that.
this. Okay. Anyways, we have this water because he loved to swim,
And it's also our tear pool.
and it's also our tear pool. Yeah. This is not actual water. It's just our tears. Like, it's very salty, so don't drink it. Got it? I swear to God.
Yeah.
We have leaves because he loved his leaves.
One flower that represented.
In his flower. His
that represented
great,
him.
amazing flower. And then
The sea for Conker.
the sea for conquer. Glad you said that because I almost forgot. Okay. Anyways.
Let's go get some drinks.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Cheer ourselves up a bit.
Yeah.
I kind of want that apple juice.
Yeah. Like, honestly, like, there should be a smooth bartender. Oh wait, yeah, these are my parrots. Hold on. You got Splash. Yeah, kind of.
I knew it.
Blue, get on my shoulder. See? He's my favorite. Here, have some drinks.
Bartender.
You want some, Blue? Where is he? Oh, he's on. Oh, okay.
Here, I'll give purple, red, yellow, and pink ball.
No, those are Snowball's toys. Okay, anyways.
Yes.
Here, there's one to all three of the Bobs, and there's like 2 more underground.
Oh, that's some good milk. Thank you, sir.
Don't touch me, salmon. Yeah, to conquer.
Drink the milk, you'll forget that ever happened.
Okay, cool. Whoa. Hey, I'm kind of feeling tired. So Alfred died in the last video. So did
and Pico can swim.
so did Whiskers, and honestly, just a lot of people.
Whiskers.
Wait, did I say Whiskers?
Yeah.
Okay, Wicked. I meant Wicked, the cat.
Who's Wicked? Oh, the cat. Oh, did you say Whiskers?
I wasn't gonna mention this when you came in, but why do you have arrows in you? Oh, wait, do you have one in the back of your neck? Do you want me to, like, pull it out for you?
No thanks, it's fine.
Okay, well, I just pulled it out.
Oh.
Did it hurt?
Ow.
Okay. Anyways, there's only the 2 of us because, well, to be honest, we didn't really tell Dame Blazer about this meeting.
Yeah.
And we don't really need to. So, okay, anyways, okay, we have a mob farm. Yeah, understand? Okay, basically, we are making lots and lots of gunpowder off of it. And we also have a sugarcane farm now. We are making lots and lots of paper. Do you know what gunpowder and paper make? Okay, well, what do they make?
Fireworks.
Okay, yes. Good job. So, I was thinking we make a fireworks shop. Understand? Okay. So, should we do that? Yeah? Okay. So, how's your day?
Good.
Yeah. Or don't mind us. We're just cuddling together. You seriously have a spider problem in this house. Last time I was in this house, you also had a spider problem, and I tried to befriend one, and then, hey, there's a creeper.
I killed it. What?
What was that?
Leave. Leave.
Okay. Lazo, again with the spiders.
That was not. Oh, that's a spider. I was about to kill it.
Doesn't matter.
Again with
I just made bank
Ultraman.
because I sold you an elytra. Okay, guys. So basically, we're going to make a fireworks shop for Crime Corp, and basically, we're going to sell fireworks and elytras. We're gonna sell the elytras for 20, and the fireworks for 1 stack, or 1 diamond a stack. Right?
Yes.
Cool. Rabbit.
Is it a rabbit?
Also, we need to go this way anyways. Robin. Okay, Robin, if you're watching this,
He's probably not.
no, I don't know. No, he watches my videos, I think. I don't know. Anyways, dude, you can't say stuff like other stuff, a stack, 1 diamond per stack, and then just leave half a stack.
Where's
Like, I can't pay you half a diamond. Understand?
Oh, I remember this being in your video.
Oh yeah,
Put a
which,
book in each
guys,
statues.
here. There we go.
Oh, you missed Ruby. Oh wait, that's you.
That's me. I already have one. So does Robin.
I'm number 1.
Yeah.
Yay!
Don't ask what this is. I don't even know. Paper!
Ruby Sheeper.
Ruby Sheeper. Okay, come
He's
here.
dead.
Ah!
Wait, Ruby Sheeper's dead?
Okay, it's not his head exactly.
Then how'd you get it? He's one of a kind.
You don't need to know. Okay, anyways, also, Robin. Just, what is this shop? Dude, it looked like
It's ugly, bro.
there's just...
Why'd you make it out of bone blocks?
Okay, no, bone blocks I can understand, because he sells, like, bones and air, like, skeleton
Yeah.
drops. Okay,
But the shape?
okay. 3 things about the... Okay,
This?
couple things. 1, yeah, what is this? Why is there diorite in dirt? Like, I understand, like, your whole kind of theme here.
Why is there just a little water pot right here?
What? I don't know. Was Robin, like, taking, like, a bird
Put a
bath?
fish in there.
I don't have fish on me.
Robin was taking a little bath.
Yeah. Okay, 1, dude, this is so unsafe. I came down here, like, 5 zombies, and I almost died. Also, you can't have stuff like this. Half a stack and just 58. How are you just supposed to... Put those back. How are you supposed to just buy 58 quartz when it's a diamond per stack? Like...
Yeah, that's true.
Am I supposed to give you, like... I don't... It's just... You know what? 3 arrows. Am I
I'll buy 3 arrows for a
Am
diamond.
I supposed to give you, like, a little fraction of a diamond?
Like, just like a little ounce.
Okay, what is this? Also,
What is this M?
building for mail.
What is this M?
For
Mail?
ma-
Oh.
Yeah. Also, the building shape kind of looks ugly.
Yeah. What is it?
Down here actually doesn't, like, this little place
Am I
doesn't...
supposed to be hiding back here?
What?
Am I supposed to be hiding here?
Where are you?
Exactly. Look. Behind you.
Oh. How did
It's like a little
How did I not see you?
Exactly, it's a hidey hole.
Yeah. What is this little area? This down here actually looks kind of cool. Only thing is that it doesn't fit in with the rest. Like, this part looks cool. Have everything around it kind of fit in. Okay. That's my little rant. You're welcome. You're welcome, Robin. Okay. Oh, wait. One more thing, Robin. Okay. You have this whole theme going on. Like skeleton drops. Then why is this here? I mean, I can understand if you want to sell iron or quartz or something, but why here? You know? Lazo, understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just...
Yeah.
I mean, do you have anything to say that I haven't said about this?
Fix it!
Yeah, just fix it.